Hi, I'm Ron Hagan with Track Lab, and we're here at PRI Show 09 in Orlando, and we're going to be talking with Meziere, who makes electric water pumps and lots of other things that we're going to hear about here.
Hello, and thank you for the opportunity. My name is Don Meziere with Meziere Enterprises, and I am pleased to talk to you today about our products. We have a line of high-end water pumps, electrical and mechanical, for street and performance vehicles, and we also offer a line of performance flex plates and starters for superior starting systems on performance vehicles.
So, show me the electric water pump for the Ford,
right.
Because that's one I saw. It really impressed me.
Well, we have several versions available for that Ford modular engine. The most popular designs for that Ford engine happen to include an idler pulley. Now, the electric pump that we make is a durable pump made with 55 gallons per minute of flow, and custom-made impeller and billet body. Our motors are all potted and have a 2-year warranty on them. What makes these a really neat unit is that it has a idler pulley on the front, so that you can install this unit and retain your factory belt. The engine no longer demands a lot of horsepower from your engine. You get to retain all of your factory accessories, but you gain the flow advantages and the horsepower advantages of our electric pump.
Wow, that's what it really impressed me when I saw it. So, what other applications do you have for it besides Ford? Do you do Chevys and Dodges and things?
We have a wide variety of applications available. We have Chevrolets and the Fords and Mopars. Most all domestic engines we have available. Even the later model engines, such as the high-tech engines, the LS series engines from General Motors.
Okay.
And if your application doesn't happen to be offered by our company, we have an extensive line of remote-mounted pumps as well as radiator-mounted pumps.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what about for the little diesels, for like the Power Stroke and the 5.9-liter Cummins? Are you there yet?
We have not ventured into the diesel market just yet. We tend to want to research applications case by case, and we need to do a little bit of research to know if that diesel engine demands more flow, pressure, where exactly the dynamics need to be on those engines.
Okay. What is this one down here?
This is our new mechanical pump built specifically for the LS series engines. It's all billet. It includes our proprietary billet impeller design. It's a swept vane design, which allows us to provide excellent flow characteristics with this pump. Down low, it provides more flow than a stock pump. Up in the higher RPM ranges, it requires less horsepower to drive.
Okay.
It provides a good amount of flow and block pressure for you. This pump has already been tested in road race applications, as well as the Baja 1000.
Oh, really?
With very good results, yes.
Well, if it's got Baja 1000 on the thing and it survived, you've got a product there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is one demanding race.
So, what is this remote radiator thing over here? Let's walk over there.
All right.
What are we looking at? And tell me about it.
This display is intended to demonstrate to our customers that the dynamics inside of a cooling system definitely influence where you would choose to fill a cooling system. A lot of our customers are under the conception or misconception that you need to fill from the highest point in the system. While that has something to do with where you would choose to fill a cooling system, you also want to select an area that is a low pressure area. And so the intention of this display is to show that a water pump has a high and low pressure side and has the ability to push air out of a spot that is actually higher than itself. Right now, you notice we are filling from this spot at the top of this water pump. This chamber is connected to the low pressure side of the pump. The pump obviously is lower than the radiator and even this simulated thermostat area on our fake engine block here. But the pump still has the ability to purge all of the air out of the system. As you watch how the pump works, all of the air is being purged out of the radiator All of the air that is trapped in smaller bubbles, smaller corners of the system, can be purged out, and the pump, as it continues to run, gets every bit of air out of the system. Over the course of 15 to 20 minutes, all of this water will become absolutely clear as all the bubbles rise up through this canister, as they come up through the inlet side of the pump and make their way up into the reservoir portion of the pump. Air is purged out of the system, and it makes your cooling system much more effective, because when there's no air, then water is always in contact with all the surfaces of your radiator, and the radiator has the opportunity to pull the maximum amount of heat out of your engine.
Well, we go to a great deal of trouble to get the air out of diesel fuel just before it goes into the injection pump for different reasons, but the same primary basic reason is that we don't get the performance out of the diesel fuel if we got air in it.
Absolutely.
And obviously, if you got air in your radiator system, your water system, cooling system, it's not producing.
That's right. The purpose of the fluid inside of the system is to carry heat away, and it can't do that effectively if it's mixed with air.